Hello guys, and welcome back to yet another episode on Maxime channel. We bring you all the latest and best content from the roads around the world. Mistakes made by the participants in this clip are there to show you how to act accordingly and not repeat the same. Without further ado, let's get this episode started. In this clip, you will see how a gentle soul on two wheels acts when he notices an old man in need. This cool biker went above and beyond to help an old guy who was crossing the road with the help of his walker.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. Cross the street. Cross the street. There's cars coming.
The biker held up the oncoming traffic with his bike just to help this old guy cross the street. However, his good deed didn't end there. He decided to move his bike off the road and have a chat with this old guy. Watch how it all unfolded from there on.
Are you okay?
Yeah, hard to breathe.
Do you need an ambulance?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hey, get over there. Where are you going to?
I'm gonna go down in the game room
What game room?
on 50th. 50th and U.
There's not any game rooms down there. All the game rooms are out of town.
After talking to this old guy, the biker decided to call the police to come and check on him. When he went back around, he found the old guy on the ground.
Are you okay?
7th time. Bill.
Did you hurt yourself? Can we help you get home? You need to help. Here, come here. Sit back. Sit right here, okay?
Hey.
Pull your foot out. Sit right here. This second time, he was in the middle of the road.
He fell down?
No, he was walking south in the middle of the road. And it's obviously he can't walk. I called the cops just to come check on him.
Oh yeah, they better, yeah.
I called the cops down there, and then I went back around and came up to this intersection, and I saw him fall, so I came over here.
I thought someone hit him off the side of the road and I thought you were helping him.
The poor guy fell down 2 times already, and the biker decided to stick by his side until the cops and the medics come to check on him.
No? How many times did you fall?
2.
Back there?
Earlier and help him across the street. Is there anything I can do to help you guys?
But do you know any medical?
I don't. I mean, the only other thing I could say is I know that there's Grace Medical right over here, so worst comes to worst, we may be able to walk him to the hospital.
Yeah, well,
That's
I just
the
want
worst case scenario.
The biker asked the old guy if he needed some water. It was really hot outside, and the biker was spot on with his suggestion. He politely asked the lady to bring some water, and she did.
Well, I don't think the cops will be here anytime soon. I can give you some money.
I don't mind. Let me go find something real quick. I'll be right back.
Just park right here with your hazards on,
Okay.
if you don't mind.
No, I don't mind.
Oh my God.
One of the bikers got grazed by a driver at the intersection here. The driver tried to flee the scene, but watch how the bikers reacted and how it all unfolded after the incident.
Hey! What the Bro! Pull the car over! Stop the car. Stop! Stop, car! Hey, Cardo, music off. Stop! Hey, man, you just got in a wreck, dude. Listen, don't run away. It's okay. It's okay. It happens. This stuff happens. It's okay. All right? Calm down. No, it's all right, bud. Don't freak out, okay? But you got to go back there.
This clip shows us how to actually behave in any type of bad traffic situation. No one resorted to anger or something worse. Biker managed to calm the driver down, and it all ended with an apology from both parties. This is exactly how you're supposed to behave.
He says he's good. Okay. So you're good to go, bro.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, don't.
That was my fault, bro. Okay. Yo, I'm so sorry. I really am.
You good, bud?
I apologize, dude. I didn't even see you. I pulled out. That's my fault. I apologize. I appreciate it, man. Thank you guys. Be safe.
I purposely put this video first, just to set a good example on how to act like a real man and tackle the problem, and not instigate any more unnecessary trouble. Oh, here we go again. Another unstable driver on the road. This one in particular tried to purposely hit the biker.
What are you doing?
Get the at the lane.
Revenge!
Run.
In this clip, you will see a driver who is more or less becoming a nightmare on four wheels for the entire neighborhood. You know that it's going to be bad as soon as the neighbors get outside just to watch as you try to park. The next driver that is about to appear tried reverse parking. It took her a while to even start reversing. The neighbors, on the other hand, stood there like they knew something bad was about to happen.
Good Lord, just go. Like, just go straight.
As soon as she started to reverse, she hit the pole, as you can hear from the sound itself. This probably shocked the poor driver even more. She stood there on the road for a while and decided not to go in reverse, but instead she went straight.
What I just tell you? What I just tell you? You shouldn't even be driving. This is the problem.
This rude driver pulled out in front of the biker without looking. The biker had to slam his brakes as he rode over a speed bump and he damaged his bike. It didn't end there. The driver even purposely tried to hit the biker as he swerved into him.
Tiozão! Oh, pra que isso, tiozão? Pra que isso, irmão? Além de cruzar o sinal vermelho, olha o que o senhor fez na minha moto.
The worst part of it all is that the driver doesn't even seem to care about what he did, as if he didn't do anything wrong in this situation.
Vai lá, vá-se embora! Vá-se embora, tiozão! Vai-se embora, irmão!
This is where the biker decided that enough is enough, and he took matters into his own hands. He smashed the driver's mirror.
Hey! Você?
Two bikers nearly got into an accident, and it was obvious who was the one not paying attention. After the close call, they began to argue, and this is how it looked like.
Some kind of you, some kind of talking about. Turning, man, you come right that close, suddenly went into you. Keep your eyes open, you got your camera. Check
mate, and you make me do free check of it. Keep your eyes open. If not,
Why are you so angry?
take your camera off and we'll go around Bishop's Park and we'll sort it
This is
out.
spot, yeah? Alright, sound, mate.
Take your camera off.
Let's go.
Take your camera off.
You're in the wrong, mate.
Come and follow me.
Alright, let's go.
Follow me.
Yeah.
Come on. You just
In the wrong, mate. You're in the wrong.
you're on a break, you
You're in the wrong, mate.
come on you big
You're in the wrong, mate.
come on.
Why you still you was in the wrong?
Come on, you big you big
After you, mate.
fucking boy.
After you, mate.
Are you stupid?
This pedestrian got into a heated argument with a biker over something. My guess is that the pedestrian almost got hit at a crosswalk. Since it's not shown in the clip and I don't understand the language, I assume that's the case.
Jag står där. Du sa inte jag där. Du sa inte jag var där. Ja. Du sa jag står där. Nej. Du sa
I think it's about the positioning of the pedestrian here. I don't know if he was waiting to cross the road, or maybe he was already on the crosswalk when the biker passed by. Regardless of the situation, the argument soon turned a bit physical and some pushing and shoving got mixed in as well.
spelar ingen roll. Nej, exakt. Du stoppar. Nästa gång du stoppar.
Round 1. Fight!
Ingen mongo. Du stoppar nästa gång. Du ser det var så bra.
It's really unfortunate to see situations like these, especially because of the babies crying in the trolley. Luckily, the tensions cooled down after a while of arguing and it ended there.
Ingen registration.
Varför då?
Vad var polisen?
Jaha.
Kör nu, kolla sen. Det var bättre då jag har 2 vanliga. Så nu kör vi.
This driver didn't pay attention at the traffic coming from behind. He didn't even indicate when he attempted to change lanes, and the biker almost paid the price for his reckless behavior. One of the bikers flew by the rest of the group. He went over the train tracks, and that's why you can see the sparks on the road. His bottom end busted, but he was unharmed. Somehow, he got lucky not to crash. Does it look familiar? It's our nightmare on 4 wheels again, with another attempt of making it difficult instead of easy. In this clip, you can see that she attempted to go into her driveway. Watch how it all turned out. The original clip is around 9 minutes long, so I had to fast forward it a bit just to show you the struggles she had to go through. I wonder if anyone talked to her and suggested she take more driving lessons. This is surely something that can be fixed with some practice. In the end, she somehow managed to get into the driveway without damaging anyone's vehicle. To some people, this might seem funny, but I imagine it's a real struggle for her. Hopefully, she gets rid of her driving fear one day. And with this clip, we reach the end of yet another episode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one as well. Until the next episode, stay safe